COVID-19 is more than a health crisis. With far-reaching social, economic, and political impacts, UNDP Malawi and its partners continue to intensify COVID-19 prevention and control activities in the country. Since Malawi reported its first cases of COVID-19 on the 2nd of April 2020, UNDP has worked with the government of Malawi and other players to help Malawi recover from the pandemic. The use of PPEs is one of the most effective measures to stop the spread of COVID-19's virus and to protect health workers and the general public. To ensure the availability of PPEs at health facilities and other non-health institutions that need these supplies, UNDP Malawi has been supporting organizations to locally produce or scale up production of personal protective equipment and other COVID fighting supplies.
My name is David Nkwambisi. I'm currently the Director of Mast Institute of Industrial Research and Innovation, but I'm also the chair for what we call University Innovation and Technology Highway Academy, or in short, Innovation Coordination Team. This team is composed of public universities, including Mzuzu, and then we have Luana, we have Mast. College of Medicine is represented, the Polytechnic is also presented, Chancellor College is also represented. So the overall objective of this coordination team was to make sure that all public universities are addressing the needs of the country as framed in the strategic documents. And as of now, the Malawi 2063 agenda is the one that the team will be supporting. It was established with support from UNDP, mainly because it was noted that we are working in silos and we are not coordinating. As a result, we are duplicating efforts and we are also maybe misusing resources. And this team now is trying to make sure that we are addressing the national agenda as a team. We are also capacitating young faculty, and we are also directly linked to critical government ministries, departments, and agencies. Currently, the team has coordinated a production of PPEs to address COVID-19 challenges. And within this production element, we made sure that the investors are engaging students and young faculties.
As University of Malawi, we really appreciate for what UNDP did for us. The funding has actually enabled us to come up with many innovations. As an institution, we have been able to produce sanitizers. And at the same time, UNDP has also bought us a laser cutter, which we are actually using to cut materials. At first, it was very challenging because we could use scissors to cut the materials to make the masks. And you would see that issues of standardization were questionable. But now, with the coming in of this laser cutter, you see that we are able to cut a lot of materials at the same time, and it is standardized and work hand in hand with the DHO and the other organizations. We hope that this partnership will actually enable us to achieve much more and contribute to national development and actually contribute to the fight against the COVID-19. And currently, we are actually excited with the coming in of other funders like JICA. They are actually coming in at the right time because we need to expand our services. And I think through these initiatives, we'll be able to contribute to national development and even to the Malawi 2063.
The government of Japan is a key development partner and financial supporter for UNDP and Malawi's development agenda.
So with the current funding that has been provided by the government of Japan, the team is planning to support a lot of PPEs, increase the numbers, but also not only the numbers, but also the type of PPEs that we want to engage in. We are also going to put up a partnership model with technical colleges as well as the communities to make sure that whatever we are doing is an inclusive type of approach. So let me also take this opportunity to acknowledge the support and the technical element that is being provided by UNDP Malawi, and would like also to thank the government of Japan for providing the funds. It is our sincere hope that apart from the funding element, they will also support the technical element by engaging maybe volunteers who can come to the public universities, especially now that the number of public universities has increased.
Through the project, we will help scale up domestic manufacturing of COVID-19 supplies. The project will help expose local producers of COVID-19 supplies and help strengthen their skills to improve the quality of their products, as well as aim to improve collaboration among stakeholders across various COVID-19 platforms. The project is targeting essential healthcare workers and frontline staff in social services, in retail, and informal sectors. The funding from the government of Japan will support the production and distribution of 342,000 face masks, 100,000 face shields, and 1,500 non-touch hand washing stations. The project is also expected to reach 80,000 direct beneficiaries and over 1.6 million indirect beneficiaries.